Hey y'all, it's me, Carmen Sweet. Welcome back to my video. So today we're gonna have a crochet hairstyle for you guys. So first thing I'm doing is loosening up my braids. I'm gonna take a dry spray, a dry shampoo spray, and spray it throughout my hair, brushing it out really good. Just try to give my hair a little freshness before we actually start our braid down pattern for our crochet. So please take the time if you can wash it, make sure your hair is freshly washed, or take a dry shampoo and spray it out to get it good and fresh. Take a brush and comb it through. You see some spots where I didn't really comb it through too well. So for our braid out pattern, we just want to go with braids across the front and a flat back, almost like an S shape. So that's the braid pattern I have for this style because it's not braids, it's crochet like a curly look. So I just wanted to make sure that my braids were going to be as flat as possible. So as you see here, I'm just taking a comb, looking in the mirror, making sure I get myself in the center part so I can have the same amount of braids on each side of my head. I still have it in a little bit of proportion, but that's what I was trying to do, get an equal amount of braids on each side of my head, halfway so I can make sure when I put the crochet hair in, it's like an equal balance. So I think I did like 4 to 5 braids across the top on each side of that middle part. Okay guys, so to get this hair loop in, so when you actually using hair that, especially that curly type of hair, the hair is soft, so you want to make sure you're looping the when you slide the hair through the crochet, you want to make sure you're twisting and looping a couple of times. It's not just like the braids where you can just loop once and it's going to stay. Sometimes you have to loop it, sometimes you have to knot it. So I do a combination of things just to make sure that the hair is going to stay in place. And if you see right there, like I loop it like 1 or 2 times just to make sure it stays there. I try not to go around the whole braid, but to go through the braid because that makes a difference as well. Like the more hair that hair has to wrap around, it's easier for it to come unravel. But if it's just being looped around a little piece of hair, it's more likely to stay locked. Also keep in mind the amount of hair you use does make a difference. However, for me, I was going for a full look. My thing about when it's time for me to do my hair, I don't like to take forever in a day. So I don't always use small pieces or do small braids to get a better, fuller, more natural look. I don't keep my hairstyles that long. So yes, I am using like medium sizes, especially for the back. In the front, I'll do smaller pieces just so I can get a nicer look. But in the back, I am going in with not too big of a medium, but some small medium pieces to fill in that back, just to go ahead and give me a full look back there. So as you see, I am spacing out my hair placement on the side. As I get closer to the top, I will give it more of the crochet hair on each braid. As you see, I'm just going through, looping it once, twice, 3 times, and there you go. It gives and I just continue to do the exact same thing and for the entire process across my head. You're just going through the braid, giving it a twirl, and then knotting it. Okay, so this is the final look of that day. After I finished it was okay. I just did color across the top. part. I didn't want to leave out the whole thing black. It's okay so for me right now. As you will see later, I went through and just extra stuff. But right here, I'm just pulling the hair through. Y'all, the hair was super soft. Like, if y'all get this hair, the hair that I use is called FreeTress braid long curl 2 times, and I think the curl pattern is Runny Curl in the color 1B, and I got a color 30. So I'm just combing it through for any strays to come in. I think I did like a little bit of clipping. And yeah, that's how you maintain the hair. If you got any knots, just comb it through, clip any raggedy ends, and that's it. Hey y'all, so this is the final look of the crochet style. So this is a week old. The video showed the next morning, 2 days, the next 2 days that morning. I redid my front too because to me the middle spot was just too far apart and it wasn't laying flat. So I took, I unloosed the middle braid and redid the 2 front braids and this one, and then did the braid in the back a little bit flatter and added more hair, and to me it came out a whole lot better than originally. So yeah, I used a little bit more here. So that's the final look. To me it's fuller than what it was the first time. I give Minty a compliment, but I like it. It's very easy to maintain. Most of the time I just wear it in a ponytail for work. When I feel like I just take a wide tooth comb. Just take my wide tooth comb and comb it through. Cut any scraggly ends here, what have you. I may wear it out today. It's Friday. I won't let my hair down. But we will see how it goes. I don't know. I might walk in and put it down and put it in the ponytail later. Who knows? But yeah. That's it. That's the part. I love it in the middle part, but you can flip it over. You can rock it however you want to rock it. Alright, loves. See y'all later. Always like, comment, subscribe.